In this video tutorial we are going to learn about tips and tricks, how to manage your folders, and what kind of features in Outlook that you can use to create the folder, and you can use to while create your folder. So let's start with the video, guys. Before starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here come to the Outlook. So folder basically for manage your emails. Okay, you can create the new folders, you can create the new folders, you can create the subfolders, and you can move your emails to the folders, and you can categorize your emails as per your folders. Okay, and you can also make some rules, or you can say trigger that it will be work automatically. Okay, if you want to move some emails from some sender to move directly to this folder, you can also do this. And that's how there is a lots of rules you can create as per your requirements. I will show you the few which is very important to you. Okay, so first let me show you how you can create the folder. Okay, so you can see I have three account here, two Gmail and what's the Hotmail. Okay, so under this account I have by default the inbox, outbooks, and other folder which I create. Okay, so I can create the folder. If you want to create the main folder or individual folder, just select your email account, right click on it, and go to the new folder. Now you can create the new folder. Okay, rename the your folder. So I just name like folder for uh, uh, Facebook. Okay, so I just create this folder. If you want to create the subfolder like this, you can see this is a test folder, is an individual folder, and if I click on this down arrow, you can see the subfolder. It is belong to this folder. So I can create a subfolder. Just right click on it and create the new folder, and now you can create the subfolder, give the name of this folder. Okay, so I can create the new folder here, subfolder of this folder. Now as I told you, you can move the emails. So just select the emails. Okay, so I just create the folder for Facebook. So I just search the Facebook email here. Okay, Facebook. So you can see this is all email from Facebook for in current folder. So I just select this. You can select one by one, just hold the control key and just select the email, or you can select all, like hit the control plus A, then all email will be select. Or you can select like this, select any email and just hold the shift key and hit the down arrow, it will be select like this. Now if you want to select two, I can select like this, and just navigate your cursor and just click and hold and just move like this. So you can see the two email has been moved here. You can also move the different way. Just select the emails, right click on it and go to the move. Under the move, just find out the folder. So the folder name is folder for Facebook. Okay, so this is a folder for Facebook. Just select it. You can see another mail also moved here. So this is for manual. You can create rules as per as I told you. You can create the rules to automatically move particular specific email or specific sender email to the specific folder. So I'm going to show you the here. So till time, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button and do comments. Okay, so let me go ahead to show you how you can create the rules and manage the rules in Outlook. Okay, so what you need to do, go to the home and go to the rules and go to the manage rules here and select the mailbox. As I told you, I have three mailbox here. So or account, I can select the any mailbox here. So just select this one. Okay, now if you are using only one account, so there is no option for you if you are using the one account only. So I just select the account where you want to create the rules. Now go to the new rules. So here you can see the stay organized. So here you can use these rules to organize your mail. You can stay update or you can start from blank rules. Okay, so here are some popular rules, which is move message from someone to the folder. This is for if you want to move message from from someone to the folder, you can move it. You can also move the message with the specific words and the subject to the folder. This is very deep. Okay, you can move some message has some specific word or subject to the folder. It is very deep, complicated. So more people use this only because this is very easy. You have to just enter email id, sender email id, and it will be moved directly. Okay, you can also move the message sent to public group to the folder. Move message send to public group the folder. Okay, this is for your send message. So I'll show you the first one. Just select the first rules, and now click on this link, and here you have to select the email id or recipient sender. Okay, so you can switch your contact list from here, and you can write the manual email id like this. I just write the email id. Okay, and you can copy the Facebook email id here. Okay, how you can copy it, I will show you. Just go to the Facebook, open any Facebook or any email id, or just select the email. So all reminder from Facebook I want to move to the particular folder. Okay, so copy this email id, come to the rules. Okay, and come to the people and paste your mail id. You can also insert the another email id, double inverted comma you have to put here, and write the another email id from Facebook, and just click on OK. So two email id has been selected. Now you have to select the folder. So we just create the folder here. You can see, you can select the folder, or you can create the new folder from here also. I just select the folder, click on OK, and just click on next. Here you can see the which condition do you want to checked. From people I have select, and this is the folder I have select. You can also make some with the specific word. If you want to make some select the another condition, we can select the another condition here. You can which where my name is. Okay, so this is very deep, you can learn one by one, but this is okay. So done. Now this is a very important step number 2. You can run this rule now message already in your box. So you can also move your already emails in from your inbox to the folder. Just select it. If you don't want to move already existing message, just untick it and just click on finish. Click apply. Okay, so all message if I in future get from if go from this email id, it will be moved to the particular folder. Okay, so you can apply this for anyone, any email id. Okay, so now I'll show you the how you can delete, rename your folder. So just select folder if you want to delete, right click on it, and you can delete from here. You can move the folder, you can copy the folder, you can rename the folder, you can create a new folder here, and you can delete all folder from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.